Pray they will love with hearts wide open.
We're always thrilled to be together, and assembly is always a very special time. But this assembly, being our centennial, has been in everyone's mind for so long, and now it's here.
We pray they will hold on tight to the ones they love.
Tonight, we are celebrating extraordinary women who are shaping Reform Judaism.
This is a prayer for the next generation. Nation shall not lift up sword against nation, and may they never know war.
WRJ has helped us define who we are, and in the process has profoundly shaped North American and world Jewry as well.
Pray they will look with eyes wide open.
I think one of the amazing things about coming to an assembly is that you're in a room of women that have been working for 100 years on issues that are important to them as well as to the Reform movement and what we can accomplish when we work together. We are definitely stronger together.
This is a prayer for the next generation. Nation shall not lift up sword against nation, and may they never know.
Lynn Magid-Lazar has been an extraordinary, outstanding president of Women of Reform Judaism. And let us look to a future in which each and every woman of our movement is proud to say, strengthened by my sisters, I am a woman of Reform Judaism.
I hope that what my talk today has done is to let you know how incredibly precious the heritage is that you have received from your foremothers.
The thing that I take away the most, besides learning and praying with 5,000 other Jews, is the bonding experience with our local sisterhood, with all the people that I've met. It's just an incredible journey, and I'm so proud and excited to be a part of it.
This is a prayer.
We not only cater to the baby boomers and the women who are starting to be empty nesters, but we're reaching out to the next generation to make a stronger WRJ and a stronger Reform Judaism for tomorrow.
Staying connected to the Reform community provided every pathway that I could possibly imagine to literally give my Judaism roots and wings.
This has been extremely spiritual and uplifting and an amazing time to be with my daughter.
It's a transformative experience, and it was just thrilling to be here.